Hello viewers, today I am going to show how to fix unfortunately call management or stop it problem solve. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step by all step. First open app and hold dial pad. Click on app information. Click on clear storage and clear cache. Clear cache and clear storage. Click on permission. All permission allow. Already all permission allow. Open face stop it. So finally, has stopped problem solved. Thank you.